Okay, so I'm eyeballing the pile. Here's another one that's over length. It's not the 10 to 12 feet. And I'm gonna try for this one right here. It's got some more of the bumps and nodules kind of sticking off the side. It hasn't been perfectly cut clean. You can see all of these, the way they're humped and bumped. This will probably get caught if it's on the wrong way. Even, you know, it's stupid, but even something as small as this, I mean, it's literally the size of my finger, but that will get it hung up because it'll just come in like this and jam right on getting caught in here. But if you can hit it from this side, usually you can get it to come around. See if we can. I got it loaded. The butt end is here. Again, you can see a couple nodules sticking off. We got this, that will definitely get hung up. And here's a perfect example. See how this curves away from here? If it was this side, sorry about the camera, it would definitely get caught right here and stop it. So hooking down the rest of the piece of wood. Again, curved away, curved away. This one's about 17 feet long in overall length. Back and forth, there was a nodule or something was kind of hooking here, so whenever it would come back, it would hit this and it would drag the whole log backwards. So I had to shake it and get this to come up and around, and then we could feed it through.